Are you looking for the best dog walker jobs where you potentially can earn more than $30 per walk? Then this video is for you. My name's Michael and I love testing different flexible ways to make money. And one method that many people have asked me about is how to make money walking dogs. And therefore I decided to create this video where I will show you 3 methods where you can find work like this. And if you put in enough effort, you can actually earn quite good money this way. So before I go over the 3 methods, let's just talk a little bit about what kind of skills or background you need. But the thing is that you don't need any particular background or education, but of course you do need to at least like dogs and know how to treat dogs nicely and everything like that. Because if you want to make good money long term by being a dog walker or dog carer, then you need to show that you actually really care about the dogs. People that are hiring a dog walker or someone to take care of the dog in general, of course, want someone that really knows what they are doing. So if you show good service, if you're a great person, treat the animals nicely, then you will get good reviews, you will get more jobs, and then it can really escalate and get quite good earnings that way. So your reputation is everything to be able to make this sustainable long term. And I'll give you some earning examples when we go over the method so you can see kind of what you can earn. And I'll show you 3 different methods or 3 different platforms where you can find dog walker jobs, and then you can decide for yourself which one of them is the best for you. You can also use several of them. Some of them are limited to some countries, others are available in a lot of different countries. But I'll go over these options now. It's not a prioritized list because which of the options is the best really depends on your personal preferences. So the first option is called PetBagger, and you can see you can earn by doing dog walking, but it also actually has other options to earn, for example, dog boarding, pet sitting in general, and pet grooming or pet taxi, and there's even more options. And a great thing about this is, as you can see, it's available in 50 different countries. It's one of the platforms that I have come across that's available in the most different countries. Of course, how much you can earn will vary from country to country, but it's really great that it's available in this many countries. So to just give you an example is that, for example, if you say you want to be a dog walker and then you just search for your location, and let's say you live in New York, you can just go there and search. And this is just to show you how much people charge there. If you of course want to earn by doing it, you need to sign up here and then post your job. And when you first start out, it can be a good idea to start with a little bit lower prices. But you see here, for example, $30 from $30 per walk. So sometimes it's more, right? You see $15 per walk, 15 euros, $90 per walk, right? There, $15, $30. Of course, again, in some countries it will be lower, but you see there are a lot of people that are making decent money per walk. But again, you see there are reviews, and when you're first starting out, you should probably not start with something like $90 per walk. Then you definitely need to have something special to offer. It can be good to start a little bit lower. When you build up your reputation, you can start making more money. On all of these platforms, the challenge is, of course, that there's a lot of competition depending on where you live. So it can be hard to find work enough. So that's why it can also be good to use different platforms. And speaking of that, let's move on to the next platform. The next is called Rover, and you see it also has different options: boarding, house sitting, drop-in visits, doggy daycare, or dog walking. And also if you scroll down, you can see where it's available. It's available across the US, but it's also in other countries, a few other countries. You see Canada, Netherlands, UK, Norway, Germany, Sweden, Spain, France, and Italy. So that's the countries it's available in at the time of recording this video. Most of these options in general, these dog walking platforms, they have an app, so it's easy for you to keep on track on the different jobs you get, and also it's easy for people to hire you. And on Rover, I also just did a random search to give you some examples. You see someone charges $20 per walk, $25 per walk, $20. So again, you see you can earn, most people charge kind of the same here, somewhere between $15 and $30 there per walk. Again, depending on where you are, there might be a lot of competition. Again, the reviews, very important, because when people are looking, of course they will look for that. I know personally, I would definitely not want to give over a dog to someone that did not have good reviews. So you need to make sure you do a proper job. But let's move on to the final platform that also gives you some opportunities to earn as a dog walker. The last platform is called Wag, and as you can see, you can earn by walking dogs. They can stay overnight, drop-in visits, and there's also some wellness and training. So if you have skills like that, you can also earn money like that. And to sign up, you would need to go there on the website, say become a care walker, and then either become a walker or a sitter, and then you can sign up. Just be aware that if you scroll down, you can see where this is available. These are the top cities. This means where most people are using it, but it is available all across the US. But currently, as of recording this video, I cannot see that it should be available anywhere else. So if you live in another country, then you need to use one of the other platforms instead. And there might also be similar platforms specifically for your country. That's definitely also something to look for if you decide this is for you and you do not live in the US. In the US, there are definitely a lot of options, but you can see some of the other platforms definitely also gives good options in many different countries. So as you can see, if you want to make money by walking dogs or in general taking care of dogs, there are quite a lot of different platforms. And these are just 3 examples, 3 of the best ones that I have come across. And this is to give you some inspiration so you can go there and sign up if you think this sounds like a way for you to make money. But if you, for example, instead are looking for something that can create you a really great full-time income online, where it gives you a lot more flexibility because you can work completely on your own terms and whenever you want to without depending on being hired, then I will also leave a link below there to more information about how you can learn to build a real online income, because I know people that are looking for jobs like this that have asked me about it. They are also asking often about just a general flexible way to make a living because they don't like going to an office or don't like to have specific working hours. So I will definitely leave a link to that so you can check that out. That has huge potential if you are serious and willing to put in enough effort to build a real online business. But no matter what, I hope this helped you and gave you some inspiration. Quite a lot of you have asked me about how to make money walking dogs, and there are some quite good options, and you can earn decent money if you just take the time to build it up. And if the video did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I see a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.